Have you ever beveled a PVC pipe in a ditch with a gas saw? Not easy, cumbersome. We got a better option for you, the REED Bevel Boss. Up to 1 inch length bevel by 1/8 inch increments, easily adjustable on the adapter. Not only is it an effective tool, but it comes with many options. 1, it comes with a kit which has the DeWalt battery and charger. 2, it comes just as the bare tool. 3, it comes with the adapters that will work with also Milwaukee and Bosch. When doing a bevel in the ditch with a gas saw, you have to guess on the bevel. Not with this tool. This tool allows you to make easy adjustments without using any tape measure to 1/8 inch, to 1/2 inch, to 3/4 inch, to 1 inch. When working in the ditch, you will be working on 2-inch pipe or larger. This allows you to do that. And most importantly, it's better on larger diameter PVC pipe. Not working in a ditch, do not want to clean up the PVC chips that you will leave behind. The DeWalt adapter allows you to use a vacuum that will keep that process clean and easy. Any questions? Go to one of our 10 retail locations or stop at acmetools.com, and remember, do your best work.